obi te say area Sam George a whole communications minister. Your priority for the past 3 weeks or 1 month is DsTv. For what? For what? DsTv.
Ebusia Omanhene abeke Canadian pa actually Minister for Information, Technology and Innovation, Sam Nate George. The issue with DsTv. So better to move a package no so near the adeno. Omanhene abeke Canadian pa actually Sam George. This is a misplaced priority. Enye way ni here DsTv ehun here. Ehun here ti we nya de ababeko ho ntokwa ama media so bloggers no TikTokers for no abetia simubi. Aha Penyah block media. Best one say any DM. Obe like video no that my subscribe button so back click notification connect for latest updates. Na ba chere wa adwen dia ma me e wo comment section. Best one say obaso anu a share video for so enya bi ahwe. Edi for like be 3 months in there. Sam George oni DsTv for multi choice onu mu e quality beti papa onu mu e DsTv ni nyina ne say Sam George chere mu say DsTv o mu monthly subscriptions no ni bo e den dodo it o mu ntete so we ga na ye de your subscription price no now compared to Nigeria na say o mu sisi e Ghana ha enti o mu ntete o mu niam so ene ne Sam George woni o mu e de si akan ene back and forth ene media so de o mu budget so budget so yeah Sam George go Sami Jata for reason Jata for Lufthansa for reason Lufthansa what does it e mo say na nsi obi a press conference na ebi mu kaka Sam George ade a wo ye de I say wo ya ye kokoti do that say you are doing too much e ma Sam George kwa reply say o ma say menye too much obi odo Ghana bia nim say me Sam George ade a me ewe I am not doing too much.
Maybe you should check your circle of friends well. They are not patriots. They don't love this country. But my circle of friends, they love this country. And everyone who loves this country thinks that Sam George is doing something right relative to DsTv. And so I'm not doing too much. I'm doing the least that I can do as minister. My fidelity as minister is to the Ghanaian people. Service to the Ghanaian people. I serve at the pleasure of a president who cares deeply about the Ghanaian people. And so in this ministry, we will serve the best interest of the Ghanaian people. They did not say I was doing too much. When we made MTN offer 214 gig instead of 92 gig. They did not say we're doing too much. When both Telecel and AT offered 250 gig instead of 190 gig. It's benefits to the Ghanaian people. So any Ghanaian who says that making us pay what our friends across Africa are also paying because we are being fleeced and being made to pay more, and they say I'm doing too much, I want to see their passport again and see if they are truly Ghanaians. But any true Ghanaian supports the action that we are taking.
And recently, I Sam George had the last press conference. Now, press conference, I know they told multi-choice, any DsTv, and you say, Omo pese Omo operate here, Ghana, 2 things. Either say, one, Omo beti Omo monthly subscription package, price, Omo be reduced by 30%. And now say, Omo fan show me 3 say, 6 September, Obe shati Omo servicing now down or be call off the operation in this country. Emma, that day now the 5th September now, I say Sam George have cancel work in here after agreement with multi-choice in DsTv, o want here and say Omo betiti Omo near maso. And wachi and a press statement every multi-choice. I say there be Sam George. Yeah, no agreement to be as and to come as actually Ghana for come as to me. There no agreement to be a MS media so muso Sam George say omu esrem say what be diffel what be the atro misinformation ade eni mo be kan into kra wa kasa che hutum o hwemra na fa ho koma koti se koti nti nti ko di kan editro now here DsTv sensem no a DsTv ayes a car wasi fie na wa so me kra no me peka bia me de be nante se woni car enye by force obi a hyew DsTv eye luxury digital decoder si ebi wo ho ubenya ye channel si bi ahwe obi anhye o se tena Ghana ha kopem brofo channel hwe wo na wo pe edi ubetimi ato a no akoto ontimi a tena wo ba bi kom enye Ghana ya hiya de kese he de hiya ya sa because DsTv de eye luxury na eno no ana Omanhene Abeti esi Sam George. I ndokwa we na. And ndokwa na ni DSTV aircom sebi nyanse bi anim. It doesn't make any sense.
Obi ti say Ayɛ Sam George. A whole communications minister. Your priority for the past 3 weeks or 1 month is DSTV. For what? For what? DSTV. Uno mo ham pa enti so multi choice enti so gaba ube twem another nekosi say. You don't have the power. Mama no pretend this ah. And now you call a creature chuka cheese. You expect the minister to be dealing with these matters. But the luxury life of Obi also about DSTV, premium bouquets, a bouquet and 950. Who cares about that? You're 120 war, you're 450 war. And what is your problem?
Compact.
A whole minister and a ministry. A whole minister and a ministry. For the past 1 month, idea what me do who come on, official idea maybe mother DSTV. Number 2, Airtel Tigo Telecel. What is happening? It is our responsibility to know. Well, because because on the part, now I'm going to share so I crack my road. You see, we have a problem. Yes, we have a problem. We have a problem. Because some say I'm
a media as a TikTok response. I join a conversation. I can come to Sam George.
Ebusian 4. Just a quick one. When said there is this back and forth between multi-choice, almost streaming through DSTV. Any the Minister of Communication, Technology and Innovation, Honorable Sam George. Sam George Abeka Ghana for say DSTV 4 and as a multi-choice have agreed to reduce their subscription from 21st of September. In Tiasa Ghana for Mama Bontomo Yemnia, the good news is coming. Now when multi-choice so said battery abontin say ye who poster minister apostia sma waka. But we have agreed say a bet nothing. Not both parties no in the form of Yenye Juma any Ghana for we will come on the common grounds. I did be better to share better a beboa affect ye Juma in as much as say a pesse a yeding ye Ghana for so a hoto woman. We will come on the common grounds to agree on solution that they benefit both parties. But we want to emphatically state to say ye cancel from 21st of September no ye be reduce your subscription. Ye minister oya obabontin abeka san say multi-choice aka sadia or be shut down multi-choice. Sam George ukoko too much. What the emotions ya de why can be being show as a leader no untimi find emotions en ya de o obeka bibi bisa ho say first and foremost no when you are say and I agree say from 21st omo reduce some subscription na that is number one thing. Or is this something you are hoping say would happen na? If you are hoping for something to happen, I say or want say and come on common grounds, it hasn't been effected. There hasn't been any agreement Richie. So you cannot come out and tell Ghanaians to say Omo agree to reduce subscription from 21st of September. They have to also come out and say, Minister, it's in the pipeline for us to talk, but we haven't agreed. There is nothing wrong with them coming out to defend themselves. Because who you want to portray, and I say you want to look good in the eyes of Ghanaians. So you quickly came out to say, "Adia cry moment na say cry agree on." And they as a company, in as much as almost said they want to reduce whatever they're streaming to Ghanaians, they also have to make sure say whatever decision affect your Mejuma. And see, they have to come out to defend themselves. Now, when the moment they came out, Ebe can say Ube shut it down multi-choice. Mr. Minister, Sasa na obey the Jumani won't mean you. You in particular, and I say, Wejumano, there is a Yaman Koye woho. Ghanaians are crying for a kind of saying data. Say data boy, what have you done about it? You have quickly come out to say something now. A bit jeopardize you be a juma the way any juma finance will be defending and who will for so shut it down. Now, so we shut it down. Ask yourself to say, and your multi-choice in when it affect you, it would affect a lot of Ghanaians. You know why? Because multi-choice name himself or streaming sports. Analysis near the entertainment and reality show near the and we also him say Ghana a lot of this media station are more relying on multi-choice to be able to broadcast whatever multi-choice can have some in your station as well, in the form of sport, entertainment, any kind of saying foreign news near the you know it. Hey, where idea you know. And it is not about multi-choice in Kwana will be affected. A lot of Ghanaian companies are going to be affected. Besides that, no, the public also more relying on all this you kind of saying streaming, so it's going to be affected. There are some companies or when you see a multi-choice to entertain their guests, their visitors, their customers when they come there, it's going to affect them. And see, it is not just one-sided. You have to look at the broader side. Should be affect you, but you will be quick. How? We are too quick-tempered. Bra, say, Mr. Minister, as a penny bibi bar, what's now analyze it? Now what should you put to me a kind of saying solution aba? By and far be and fair before quick that you come out. Secondly, again, when him says, oh yes, it will affect Ghana economy. Investors will be afraid to come and invest in Ghana. Most more catching Crawford said people should come and invest near there to bring a kind of say employment to Ghanaians. So if you cannot agree on investors on the common ground to come out with a solution, say you are going to shut down businesses near there. Do you think it would encourage other investors to come to Ghana? No. It's maybe now what can I say, Brown? Take your time. Take your time. But while in your heart, you know, say you have not agreed on 21st September. So why did you come and tell Ghanaians? Charlie, this government now say more for Ghana for hands big time. You don't for Ghana hand big time. Big time. The hope Ghana funya umu amudi vote mu. I say munyama nyina ye libi labalaba. You people don't know some more cause some more bow, and then you are bringing up things such as say empasum. Sam George, calm down. Now make sure, say, look, let me tell you something. Ghanaians have lost hope in you, and I say confidence in you, in your and anyway kind of saying, or sector or head. One shiny year, the people around you, nobody will work with you because they be all the sentiments. Bam, now they act it. You don't do that. As penny be ba, what's nasi? Now I shed your bay a boa. Would it be bound by count be and I can say forefront? Aha, wouldn't be do what you are supposed to do to bring solution. I bet Ghana for any other investors who are coming to invest in the nation. Menfa kokwa na ebufo bibia una kind of saying jata ai una udi any muntin wo be acting. Go and sit down. Kakra me kan no nyame sure bia.
Ha Ghana, wow benye video we bibia fama Sam George. Ma hu say Sam George be 3 months ni and DsTv. Yanga say ye krum ha TV station digital e wo krum ha no. Fitin kwa abesin kwa nyinam kwa abin. Just a kwawu na dekita atikwa be 6 months ni ema. Nti wo fi say why ye ni ye nanka dekita aba kura nkankofo beble kura DsTv bi kura nkomo nhwe. Ana wote ha no na DsTv ne wakon ntokwa onya hwe.
Please say something about the DsTv prices. DsTv price no brother. What's the wallet to dibane? Na ekwae no eto ne 10 cedis. Mama this is on 10 cedis be more than 15. Epe boto, epe bokofie, epe bedan ho, onye by force. Say something member kaden. Brother malameto DsTv nkwa bi mbomi de mu ant na mpumu hu bi da. Ebi mbomi de na mabaka DsTv prices asam. DsTv prices so de. Na nka wona wo trasa ko East Legon Hills. Oya refa na nas fo no wo ye adwuma papa. Wo gipe papa wo tu mo chie DsTv. Ena nko wotu mu aka wansam na me mu hwe DsTv o be 2 years ni mu hwe TV da enti mmaka da na afa ho obu onelo ni bi so wala kan wala kebi so wala DsTv ni bi ni bi DsTv wonje meska fo no wonka DsTv asamo mala meta mo hwe ball no ma beka dey wo gba Champions League me nya bi anhwe nti oba me yo me nya hwe wo TV no do mu hwe TV nti say something me say abede brother. Hey, the message in me inbox say something. Name that Sam George no good. Oh, communication minister where you want? Me tell me your communication minister. One for baton be a mechanism as he say something. Sam George no good. And take current affairs. What's about to tell do? 1 hour say what better tell do. For DsTv, I send me my gym one DsTv. Me to be 2 years in Penyah TV that DsTv is not it. Time message in the
Charlie, first of all, this our job he had. Like, he had. So not long ago, I brought you news about how Sam George said DsTv or multi-choice has agreed to reduce the price of their packages. You understand? And I even praised him, and everyone was happy. Minutes after posting that, multi-choice released a statement saying that it's a lie and that they have not agreed to reduce anything. They said they spoke, there was a dialogue, but they have not come to any compromisation and that they will not reduce any price. And they said they will not reduce it. So after they came out with that statement, some judge tweeted this saying that, you know, they're undermining Ghanaians and that tomorrow, which is the 6th, he will instruct the NCA to revoke their licenses. Meaning from tomorrow, if they don't come to a dialogue, if you are using DsTv, the Ghana one, you'll not be able to watch DsTv again. And I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with DsTv. I don't know whether they think that they can just come out and do anything and then they'll go scot-free. Because according to some judge, Ghanaians are paying way above the price package. So some judge says DsTv agrees to reduce the price. DsTv come out and say they will not reduce anything. Some judge now says he will tell the NCA to revoke their licenses.
Kyerɛ wadwen ma me ɛwɔ comment section. Aha yi Penyah Block Media Accra.